Hey everyone, welcome to Glitch Snitch. In this video, we'll show you how to view all your recently watched Instagram reels, irrespective of whether you like them or not. So first, open the Instagram app and head to your profile. Now tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Now in this menu, select your activity. Now scroll down and you'll see this watch history option. Simply tap on it. Now here you will see all the reels that you have watched recently. If you want, you can also sort them by a specific week or a month or a date range. You can also tap on this all authors menu to view only reels from a specific account that you have watched. So simply search for the account name, select it and then hit apply. Finally, if you want to remove reels from this list, tap on the select button, select the reel that you want to remove and then select remove to confirm. So this will remove the reel from your watch history. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Snitch.